Hello everyone. If you are someone who loves bags, then this video is definitely for your trivia. I came across this article that spoke about luxury bags which are very iconic and has been seen on most iconic women as well. So I'm just going to quickly take you through each one of those bags. Number one we have is Gucci Jackie, which was brought into life in 1961, but obviously it was named after Jackie Kennedy at that time, as she was carrying this bag everywhere and made it like a statement. So there are a lot of variants of this bag available now in Gucci, and there are a lot of dupes as well. So this is a perfect edgy bag if you ask my opinion. Number two that we have is Lady Dior. Now this bag was, I think, brought into life in 1995, and it was mostly seen on Princess Diana. Now this bag I feel is very difficult to style because it does not suit everyone. So if you have a personality that can carry Lady Dior bag, then you should definitely go for this bag. It's beautiful, it's graceful, it's elegant and very feminine. Number three that we have is Louis Vuitton Speedy, which was brought into life in 1930s, and it got really famous when Audrey Hepburn started wearing it. And it's a very different cylindrical shaped bag, which is very cute, very practical as well, because you can put a lot of things in it. So that's what we have on number four. Then on number five, we have Hermes Kelly. Again, it got very popular in 1959 when Grace Kelly started wearing it. It's a very structured and organized bag, so it gives me very boss vibe look. Now the thing is very difficult to get your hands on this bag because A, you have to be waitlisted for it, B, it's super expensive. So if you like something else which is similar to this bag, then definitely go for it. It speaks boss vibe. And the last bag that we have is Fendi Baguette. Now this bag got its popularity from the show Sex and the City, when Carrie Bradshaw is screaming on top of her voice that it's not a bag, it's a baguette. She was getting mugged by someone. So yeah, I really like this kind of bag because it's very cute, shoulder length, practical, rectangle, goes well with jeans and stuff. So this is one of my favorite kinds. Now I know I have not mentioned YSL, Chanel because they were not in the article as well, but they are definitely some of the most iconic bags. Anyways, do let me know if you like this video and which would be your most favorite luxury bag. Currently, I'm eyeing on Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag because it's amazing and I think it's a classic piece that every girl should have. So hopefully I get it soon. Until then, enjoy your week. Bye-bye.